Nakatanggap ng parangal sa pagiging dakilang ina mula sa isang salon si Mommy Angelica Yulo. Ayon sa tagapagsalita ng Cat Salon, in line with Ganda for All campaign, we gave this certificate of recognition for exceptional dedication and unwavering commitment to raising children that bring pride to the Philippines. Your effort and virtue in the line with the spirits of Cat Salon Ganda for All campaign embody the values of empowerment, individuality, and positivity awarded this 23rd of August 2024. Dahil dito, labis-labis naman ang pasasalamat ni Mommy Yulo. Thank you so much, Cat Salon Paco Branch, for the recognition, especially to the owner, Mr. Warren Encarnacion. I didn't expect this po. God bless you. Matapos nito ay nagpakain ito sa kanilang mga kapitbahay na ayon kay Mommy Angelica ay mula daw ito sa mga incentives na natanggap ng kanyang mga anak. Nagpapasalamat din si Mommy sa mga tumulong sa kanya na magprepara ng kanilang munting salo-salo.
Sabi nga namin, in line with our campaign na Ganda for All, we give this certificate of recognition to Ma'am Angelica Yulo for your exceptional dedication and unwavering commitment to raising children that bring pride to the Philippines. Your effort and virtue are in line with the spirit of Cat Salon Ganda for All campaign, embodying the values of empowerment, individuality, and positivity. Awarded this 23rd day of August 2024 at Paco Market Mall, Cat Salon, Manila. Signed by Sir Warren Encarnacion, CEO of Encarnacion Group of Salon.
Last flower.
Salamat po sa araw na ito, sa mga tumulong magluto at magkasikaso ngayon, sa mga anak ko na nagbahagi ng kahit papaanong parte ng incentives nila, kay Iza na binawasan ang nakuha niya sa palarong pambansa. Salamat din kay Eldrew at sa panganay ko na si Joriel sa pinaabot niyang tulong para kahit papaano makatulong tayo sa simpleng paraan. Lagi tayong tumulong sa kapwa. Kapag may sobra tayo, maliit man o malaki, ang mahalaga ay magbigay tayo ng bukal sa puso. Pagpasensyahan niya na po sana ang nakayanan namin ng mga anak ko.
Samantala, proud naman ang pamilya ni Chloe San Jose sa nakamit ni Carlos Yulo. Nagbigay ng madamdaming mensahe ang ina ni Chloe na si Mommy Melanie Pili. Ang ama naman ni Chloe na si Gino Pili ay nakikagat din sa gold medal na nakuha ni Carlos Yulo. Your Olympic journey is indeed a testament to your remarkable dedication and spirit. We have witnessed the tremendous effort and commitment you invest in this field. Spending holidays, even Holy Week and Good Friday training instead of resting and spending time with your loved ones is just one proof of the passion and perseverance you bring to this craft, and for that, we are truly proud. Congratulations, Ma'am Angelica Yulo, and to the organizers for making her feel proud for raising a good and athletic children. You've been recognized now as a good mother, Mrs. Yulo. Congratulations and more blessings to come. Congratulations, true, indeed. Our country cannot have rejoiced for your son's 2 Olympic gold medals if you have not brought your son into this world. We thank God for this gift of life and honor for our country through you, his mother. God bless us all and may love prevail amongst us. Congrats, Mami Angelica! Huwag ka na malungkot dahil mas madami pang blessings matatanggap. Hayaan mo na yan si Kaloy. Balang araw magsisisi din yan. Binabaliwala kayo ng tunay mong pamilya. Salamat sa mga nagbigay. Wow, congratulations, Mommy! There is no Yulo's Pride of the Philippines without Mom who took care of her son. Proud of you. Sana naisip din nakakataas yan. She deserves that award. Congratulations! Mas maganda nga po imbes kay Carlos sa mother na lang kasi kung hindi sa mother walang Carlos Yulo. Sana sa mga iba pang product si mother na lang ang maging endorsement nila. Siguro nakikita nila na walang ambag sa magulang yung anak at yung goldfish lang ang nakikinabang kaya direct na lang binibigay sa nanay. Good moves po. Salute sa mga sponsors. Wow, congrats! Tama yan. Sa nanay at family na lang ni Carlos, tulungan huwag na dagdagan yaman ni Kaloy para di na masyadong lumaki ulo niyan. Congratulations! Just continue raising your other children to be good and loving to you and their family. Exactly! She deserves this kind of recognition. Congratulations, Angelica! Congratulations, Mommy Angelica! You may not be a perfect mother, but I salute you for doing your best for your children and raising the 2 gold medalists in the recently concluded Olympic Games. Thank you, Katsalon, for recognizing Mommy Angelica's contribution to the history of Philippines, being the mother of Kaloy Yulo. To those who supported the family of Carlos, this is the best move you have done to them. The son can't do it for them and I felt moved when somebody else do it for them. I wonder how Carlos feel about this. Very, I can't do this. Nakakaiyak. At the end of the day, may plano si Lord why these things goes around. Pray for the family Yulo will reunited, mother and son. It's all about family matters. Stop negativity, embrace positivity, learn the lessons and stay in God's presence with humble hearts. That's for all. God bless more.